It's giveaway time.
Okay, so Marts Digital made some really expensive custom hats made out of actual carbon fiber. These things are heavy, and we got 5 to give away. So if you want to win one of these, I need you to comment and show a picture of your Marts Digital Amplifiers installed, and then we will pick out 5 winners to get one of these hats. Now let me tell you, you got the raised Marts, you have some custom embroidery on the side, carbonetics, I think these people actually produce the hats, and then a real carbon fiber, really thick, heavy on the bill. Really cool hats. So if you want one of these, comment this video, your name, location, why you should win, and then also leave picture or pictures of your Marts Digital Amplifiers installed, and then we'll pick out 5 lucky winners and get these out to you. See you soon.